Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to keep Android phone secure. Securing your phone is necessary, especially when you're keeping your sensitive information, can be pretty handy. And here are the essential steps to keep your Android phone secure. First, set a strong screen lock. Use a PIN, password, pattern, fingerprint, or face unlock. Keep Android updated via settings, software update, and install security updates. Update apps regularly. Open the Google Play Store, tap your profile picture, then tap Update all apps. Enable Google Play Protect via Play Store, Profile, Play Protect, turn on or tap the scan. Install apps only from the Play Store. Avoid APKs from unknown websites. Review the app permissions via Settings, Privacy, Permission Manager. For example, I'll tap the calendar, tap on App, and remove unnecessary access. Turn on Find My Device via Settings, Security, Find My Device, and enable it. Use Two-Factor Authenticator app, and enable 2FA on Google, email, and social media accounts. Enable automatic backups via Settings, Google, Backup, then turn on or tap Backup Now. Lock sensitive apps. Use built-in app lock or a trusted app. And be cautious with links and messages. Just don't click suspicious links or downloads. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.